How to log into Shein account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you on how can you access your Shein account. To access your Shein account, start by launching the Shein application if you are using your mobile device. You can also download this app either from the Play Store or the App Store. And alternatively, you can also open your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome and go to Shein.com. Type in Shein.com in the search bar and hit enter in the keyboard. Then this will take you to the official page of Shein. Now click on the Me icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Sign In or Register. This will take you to the login page. Enter your mobile number or your email address in this designated area. After you have entered the correct form of your email address or your phone number in this designated area, click on Continue, that is highlighted in the black color. You can also directly continue with your Google account or your Facebook account. Now in this page, enter your correct form of your password. Then after, click on Sign In. In the case if you have forgotten your password of your Shein account, you can simply click on this option over here and simply recover or reset your password. You can enter the verification code and submit, or you can also skip this step. After that, you will be successfully logged into your Shein account. So this was all about how can you log into your Shein account. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.